Welcome to today's video. So today is going to be a little bit different than normal. Instead, what I'm going to do is go through a superannuation fund. We're going to look at its fees, its investment options. In general, have a look at the whole super fund. So I have someone coming around for dinner in 5 minutes, so I'm going to try and get this done really fast. So the super we're looking into today is BT Super for Life. I'm going to share my screen that looks like this, and then I'm going to make myself down into the corner there. Bye. We'll go through the rest of the video like this. So as you can see, I have the DIY financial plan here. The minimum amount of boxes that I need to fill in. So I'll fill in my name, date of birth, income is 100,000 a year, 50,000 is my superannuation balance. So normally you'd go through and fill out all your assets, liabilities, your cash flow. Then you'd add some goals in here and see how they relate to your cash flow. But we're just looking at super today. So BT Super for Life. So I go down to the superannuation tab over here. So what I'm going to do is open up we're just going to Google BT Super for Life, and we're going to go through their website. Basically, what we are looking for is what investment options do they have and how much do those investment options cost. For now, we're just going to have a simple look at what BT offers. So the fees we're looking for are 2 types of administration fees and then 3, maybe 4 types of other fees. So I'll go through each one as we find them. So we can see here, we're on the site for BT Super for Life, simple personal account, blah, 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 tailored for your age. So that is investment options that will change naturally as you get older. It will start out riskier, and then as you get older, we'll invest in more stable assets. However, you can do this yourself, and then you won't have to pay a fee for them to manage that for you. Up to you. Sustainable investment. A lot of super funds are now offering sustainable investments, which cut out companies that do a lot of pollution, reduction of weapons, tobacco and alcohol, etc., etc. Fees. Wow. Immediately. So what we can see is this is $6.5 per month, $78 a year. So I'm going to go back into my spreadsheet. We worked it out, $78 a year. The administration fee will be the same for both of these. Go back here, plus a 0.45% account fee. Then we want to know the investment, indirect cost ratio, and contribution, so like a transaction cost. Essentially, these will differ depending on the investment options that we choose. So insurance cover, standard or customized, fund codes, what do we have here? Past performance, we'll open that just in case, and we want to know, we'll be in one of these. So we want to look at the fees with the investment options. So we're going to have a look at the product disclosure statement. It's 13 pages, so hopefully we can find fees and costs, how we invest your money. Okay, so how we invest your money. So you have a BT life stage option, so it depends on the decade you were born as to what you're going to be invested in. BT shows you the asset allocations and as they change. So for example, someone born in the 2000s, quite young, they're heavily invested in Australian and international shares, whereas someone born in the 1940s is a lot more invested in fixed interest and less invested in international shares. Let's plug in a life stage investment option to start off. So we'll do the BT likes to advertise that they do a life stage option, so we'll do that one for them. Example, life stage investment option. Okay, so this is actually the exact example we're looking for. It says it should equal 648. 0.36 is the buy sell spread. So we go here, we go buy sell. That's essentially a transaction cost. It's a one-off cost when you put money into your super. Investment fee is 0.5, so we go here, 0.5%, and indirect cost ratio is 0.19. 648, what is BT? It says it's 648. Great, my spreadsheet works. Whew. Let's compare this life stage option to another option that BT has. So we'll go down and find what other investment options they have. These are the performance of all of the investment options. So as you can see, quite a lot of investment options with BT. Let's look for an index option. Index growth, maybe. Yeah, index growth, page 29. There it is, index growth. Okay, investment fee is 0.34. And the indirect cost is 0.01. this was 0.16, so buy sell spread 0.16. And that's it. Now you can have your comparison. This was index growth option. So this is basically comparing a managed investment to an indexed investment within BT. We can have a look at the difference in fees, and let's say that they both performed at 9% a year. The difference in balance after 30 years is, calculate that, that's almost $300,000. So you would hope that the life stage option would perform better over a 30-year period, but is that the case? We might have to look at the performance, and I'll leave that up to you to go and investigate for yourself. I'm off for dinner. Good night, and thanks for watching.